Common starling. The common starling, also known simply as the starling, is a medium-sized, highly adaptable songbird that is native to Europe, Asia, and North Africa. Starlings are known for their iridescent, glossy black plumage with a metallic sheen, which can appear purplish or greenish in certain lighting. In the breeding season, adults may develop white spots on their feathers. They have a short tail and a pointed yellow bill. Common starlings were introduced to North America in the late 19th century when they were brought to New York City's Central Park. They have since spread across the continent and are now found throughout much of the United States and Canada. Starlings are highly social birds known for their complex songs and calls. They are excellent mimics and can imitate the sounds of other birds and even mechanical noises. They often form large flocks, particularly during the non-breeding season, and engage in synchronized aerial displays called murmurations. Starlings have a varied diet, feeding on insects, fruits, seeds, and human food scraps. They are often seen foraging on the ground or in lawns, where they probe for insects. Starlings are cavity nesters and will nest in a variety of places, including tree hollows, buildings, and nest boxes. They typically lay 4 to 6 eggs, and both the male and female share in incubation and chick rearing.